During the lockdown, I have been contacted by Sanremo Rock Festival, which is the biggest rock contest we have in Italy, and they wanted me to sing a couple of songs at the very final night. Here we are, Sanremo.
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 Or Sanremo.
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 Sanremo. We're here. We just arrived, and we're definitely overdressed.
A bit too much.
A bit too much and overloaded. As you can see, it's too many bags. I mean, we definitely exaggerated.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are that kind of people that need everything, like the whole closet, the whole wardrobe with us.
Actually, you are.
I am, but I am involving you as well because I feel better in company. What's going on?
It's raining.
It's raining.
With the sun.
It's impossible. Look at this.
It's a miracle.
It's it's because of those clouds. Okay, this lens is about to get very wet soon. We are super tired and it's really raining. We better make a move. Yeah, not like that.
Not a move?
I mean, make a move like going to the hotel.
Let's go then.
I forgot to mention the main thing, why I'm here. So this is the story. During the lockdown, I have been contacted by Sanremo Rock Festival, which is the biggest rock contest we have in Italy, and they wanted me to sing a couple of songs at the very final night. Laura, it's way too hot.
It's way
too hot. We definitely underestimated the heat. We thought, okay, half September, it's fine, it's gonna be fine. Long trousers, but we're definitely wrong. Guys, it's full summer here. The never-ending journey. Never-ending journey. Guys, we'll never get there.
We'll die before.
We'll die before.
We are already dead.
We're already dead and we don't know it. 10 yards from the Blue Beach Resort. We are going to discover our room in a few minutes.
Maybe.
Unless we die before. What do you think, Laura?
I just want to go and eat the tables of every restaurant here.
We are definitely hungry now. This place looks alright. Ooh, swimming pool up here.
Do whatever you want, I'll settle for nothing. As long as we can keep the fire, I'll do whatever you do.
A little dive from the future. Woo!
But I want you to know I can't have this. I want you to try. Imagine living without it, So let's go.
Okay, let's go back to our story now.
I know it won't be easy, but it's true. We will regret what we didn't do, what we didn't do. What we didn't do. I know you're feeling it too. sure it's something. I know that this will take us higher. I'll do whatever you do. Let's take cover before our chances are getting darker. But I want you to know I can't help fight this. And I want you to try. Imagine living without it. So let's go. Heaven is worth fighting for, you know.
Okay, it's Thursday today, so we still got a couple of days off before I'll have to perform on Saturday night. So today we decided to come to this beach here. It's a beautiful place, so we'll manage to take some very good shots, I guess.
Heaven is worth fighting for, you know. I've been standing right next to you. Oh, I know it won't be easy, but it's true. We will regret
Grazie. Grazie. We like it. 11 out of 10. Fiorentina steak and Angus beef. So we are in Sanremo right now. First time ever for both of us. And we decided to come here today not only to see this beautiful city, but mainly because our friends are performing today in this contest. So now we are eating this delicious food to have the right energy and support our friends as best as we can. We're here! Salve, ciao! These passes work very well. Okay, let's get in. So far it looks beautiful. First time at the Ariston. Oh my god, this stage is so big. Look at this. This stage is massive. I'm so excited now. Good band, what do you think?
Yeah, it was a great band.
Yeah? Well, in this moment there's another band rehearsing.
So they will do some kind of metal.
Yeah. Ah, yeah! Enamo! That's a great surprise. We just met a friend, Marco, great guitarist, great, superb. Well, we're out now. We've seen a few bands, there were a lot of people. It was nice.
Yeah, it was really nice actually.
I mean, now they took a break, so it was the perfect moment to go out and have a walk.
Because the city is very beautiful actually.
Yeah.
And yeah, there are flowers.
We forgot to say, this is the city of flowers. Yeah.
And the music, of course.
and the city of music, yeah. Every big Italian musician, they dream to
be here.
To play here, to be here and play on that stage. So I'm looking forward to it. I mean, I'm excited. I've just seen it with my eyes for the first time. It looked bigger on TV.
On TV, it looked massive.
Yeah, it is big. I mean, don't get us wrong. It is big.
Yeah.
We'll make do. I mean, it's all right.
Yeah.
And my arm is dying now, so I have to stop this. I'm sorry.